Okay, these are fun. They're swan ladles that float. And a cool bat wine opener. Parrot wine opener. Just so creative. Look at this strainer with the eyeballs. So quirky. Pasta monsters. So much fun. These are so much fun.
Pretty popular brand on social media.
Yeah, it's just quirky. The Loch Ness monster. Oh, is that a tea? It's a tea soaker with the cup.
Baby Nessie tea infusers.
Baby Nessie tea infusers.
And then Mama and Papa Nessie.
Oh, and the little bird house for coffee.
That comes out to 300.
These are super cute.
So if we did 5,
Ooh, those are super pretty. My mom would like that. Tea flower infusers that come with a little cup. Aren't they beautiful?
Tea is our top line, so we keep a lot of reviews.
Oh, I like the bee light.
Yeah, so it's
Light
actually a
bulb.
solar powered night light. So you stick it to the window, it charges up, and then at night, once it gets dark, it turns on.
they're going to do good.
Oh, wow. Does this flip down then?
Yeah. So these funnels are flip out.
Oh, it's a funnel.
Exactly. This is a baking soda diffuser, so you put the baking soda in, put it in your fridge. It ventilates a little better than the boxes do.
Yeah.
Putting it in.
Super fun. We all live in a yellow submarine. The yellow submarine. Ooh.
These are pretty popular too, the crabs.
Oh, this is a guacamole cutter.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the crab paper roll holder. That's fun. And a spoon holder. These are just so much fun.
Those are pretty popular too, the cherry measuring spoons with the egg separator.
Very cool. Ooh, what's the bumblebee?
Paper cup holder.
Okay.
So same thing with the sardines.
Super
Garlic
cool.
crusher, peeler, and grinder.